Spectacular, Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. 3 to 6 p.m. on the Gagasi Fast Lane.
Oh man, I love it. Like whenever our guests show love to our technical Mdidieli, that's an old time Kuzwai for putting the things together, putting their,
done,
you know,
Nolutando.
their shandies, just all the work that they've done all in one piece. So shout out to her, man. Cute DJ.
Yes, sir.
Ukranov.
Ngiyaphila kakhulu njani?
Intwana sesinqanqawini represents her, right?
Phuma nje la. Ngiyangena manje.
But you were still late for your interview.
He hasn't been home in a while. He hasn't been home in a while. Imagine njengoba ubuye manje uzobuya nini ngoJanuary.
Yo, don't worry.
Okay.
Uzobona nje wena ukuthi on the socials once the gig guide goes up,
Yeah, I mean,
today's price is no longer going to be yesterday's price. Eh?
Nakwamanje, it's actually getting kind of hectic.
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to everybody that's doing amazing things right now. I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
Babes, it's all this international travels.
All right. Talking about Gamash, I'd love to know, Guti, for you, like, how's the actual experience, like, whenever you go home, like when people see you, next door. How's that experience for you?
Ngihlezi kumnandi kulezi insuku esiphuma kuzona bengenza umsebenzi ekhaya wekhehla lami.
Yeah.
Wafika umphakathi wonke bengaze ngajabula.
Oh, that's nice.
Bangijabulela ukungibona.
Yeah.
Bengihlezi ngile letsotsi nje mina le ehlezi enza izinto eziseceleni.
Yeah.
Yabo akaba ne dread like dye dread. Uthi yabo ngenza izinto engenziwa wonke umuntu lapha esikhule khona, so banga appreciate and nami ngiyathanda ukuthi ngifike ngihlale nabo sikhulume sixoxe ngibone ukuthi impilo injani. Yabo because siyahamba sihambe impilo ishintshela every time thina as ama artists, so masibuyele ekhaya la sikwazi khona ukuthi sibe kuthiwa
no, I mean, I agree with that because vele uhlezi ubheceleni because namanje sitshela ngomsebenzi ufika lana inyama dololo.
Yeah. Have you ever felt held back by family obligations? As it black tax. Have you ever felt like ubona ukuthi yazi ukuthini black tax kahle kahle iyangishaya?
Black tax ngangishaya ngoma kuphela nima usangishiya. The only person that's staying now is ugogo no baba and my baby sisters.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mangicina ngedatha nje phela.
But you stream the music.
But yeah, I come from a very loving family that understands that sometimes get off, sometimes get on. Yeah. So abangixini, abangixaki, bahlezi bengifisela ukuthi ngibe right because mazi ukuthi mangi right ba right bona. So kahle looking after their own interests.
Yeah,
indeed. But they're looking after me at
that is nice.
So kwangisiza kakhulu lokho ngoba angicabanga kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yazi ukuthi mangisho ukuthi gogo, ngisobe sibone ugogo yasho ukuthi khuleka.
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi uthi khuleka uzobe right.
Nice.
You know, our music industry is always changing. You've seen genres blow up, artists come and go. Do you think that the blowing up, for example, of Amapiano, 3-Step and so forth, iqindezela other genres?
I think that iqindezela lutho sela ama-artists amadala.
Yeah.
Like we got into the industry a long time ago and understand there's so many dynamics. So when we got in, there was about Deben Kwaito.
Yeah.
So Nkom blew up, and then everything else came after. We were just consistent in what we were doing, and we stayed and we perfected our craft. And now that the resurgence is here, it's an understanding.
You know,
you have to understand whatever industry that you're in for you to be the best.
It's a wave.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a wave. Like
wave, Papa. Wave.
Yeah, wave, Papa. I think more than anything, I'm really enjoying like this whole thing of almost going back to underground. Like feel like that cool thing that everyone would know. I am loving that as a com lover myself.
Sure. I think there's like so many new people in the scene that are just doing things for themselves.
Sure.
Back then we used to wait for agencies, sponsors and all of those things for us to be able to do things.
Sure.
Makhona umuntu ocabanga iphathi uvukusela kufanele look gold, kufanele look cute, kufanele look Gilani.
Yeah.
Yenzeka iphathi.
Network killer.
Social media.
Back to basics.
It's social.
Yeah.
Kakhulu. So it's super exciting to be within everything that's happening right now. I'm overly happy. I can't even express myself.
I can see that.
Hanging out with QDJ right here in the fast lane is spectacular. Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. Emma Kokokwen, without a doubt, man.
Even now.
Part 2 of this chat is coming up. Masbuya Itola taking us there is this.
Spectacular. Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. 3 to 6 p.m. on the Gagasi Fast Lane.
That's correct. It is a spectacular Sel Beyonce and DJ Names. And our guest, namhlanje QDJ, Ntwana Sisingawini, represents her all the time. Webafu, like, you know, Mina, as somebody that's been a massive supporter of your music for the longest time.
Sure.
So now, I see good now we are drop her soon. We don't play the same Gqom Volume 3, right?
Yeah.
And then on the other side, Goldmax is also dropping. Does this mean, Uguti, we are never going to see another Destruction Boys collabo album ever again?
We're sitting on like 3 albums.
No, you sure, like this year?
Yeah, we have so much music together. Like,
So then keep on in, man.
we even have songs the one paying no, like we're literally
So
sitting
much,
on,
yes.
No.
Say phone pen.
And the time is right.
Tell me on. But the time is now. Festive season, not December. Come on.
I want to understand this. Like, why do people sit on songs? Why do artists sit on songs? Because I remember Zixman doing it also. Like, what's the whole purpose on sitting on a song?
Because the songs might be right, but maybe not for right now.
Yeah, timing iPhone.
Okay.
Vele ingoma inenye into efani. Vele
Yeah.
vuma
No,
or
no, see,
avumi.
I'm one of those artists that really just dives deep into the craft, so that thing extends to everybody I work with.
Yeah.
I like to have a plan, to have a focus point where yonke into esoyikhipha
Sure.
nesoyenza, because angifuni ukuthi ngikhiphe ingoma kuphela mase kuba ingoma kuphela.
Just in
Yeah.
jail.
And that's why I take so much time between my releases. It's either a year, 2 or 3, because if I put 100,000 into a project,
Yeah.
I want to make $1 million out of that project. And that's why you make music. Yeah, well, ukuthi kusebenzele now njengoba now uyisebenzelile.
Do you think digital has changed how a lot of people view, in terms of like what you
Yeah.
said, a rollout plan with videos, with visuals? Do you think digital has made it so easy that everybody just says, "I'm going to keep us more good guns"?
Yeah, and it has. I think it has. It hasn't made it easier. It has made it more accessible.
Yeah.
And that's where you determine the real artist. Because some people really dive deep and invest in their craft.
Yeah.
And that's where you see the difference in the consistency of the output of the work.
Got it.
What is QDJ working on currently? And what is it that we should look out for, Tina, as abablandeli and abathandi bomculo wakho?
Don't look out for anything, listen.
Oh, yeah.
We don't play the same
I love
country, just
it.
dropped. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
listening session tomorrow.
Listening party tomorrow.
Yeah.
Super excited.
Yeah.
I have like 300 people on the waiting list.
Yeah.
Nice.
Capacity I'm 300, ne?
All right.
But I have 300 people on the waiting list. So la bantu about 300 abangaphansi balindele ukuthi laba abangaphakathi
Bekhansele.
mhlawumbe i-taxi ngafiki.
Waphuma wathi uyokama khohla.
You got
Hayi, ngiyakutshela. So abantu bafike early kube right sibe mnandi, but I'm super excited, man. It's taken me 2 years
Yeah.
to put this project together. I have amazing collaborators.
Tell us.
I have Umuzi, guys, who does a
Shout
film.
out to Muzi, bro.
I have Umuzi in Gqom. I have Drega.
Yeah.
I have
Oh, shout out to Dragon.
You know what I'm saying? He's doing amazing things right now. I have Lack, I have Comax, I have Utabiso Lavish.
Oh, nice.
I have like I just put an ensemble together. Imizwi
Look at you.
It's Sectola, bro.
Wait,
It's
now-
Sectola.
So yeah, it's super exciting to be in the position I am right now.
Mina futhi ngincanga ukuthi how creative you are with what you're doing, like, because people look at or rather listen to Ipad, but they don't know what to know. QDJ last sound like Kobanizwayo, that piano song QDJ was behind that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, how did that come about?
It was literally me and Guy, student of Spacey. I get a call at like maybe 1:45 in the morning.
Oh, on the boy on phone.
No, studio. I'm for the look out. I say, bro, I have this thing, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like it's missing something.
Yeah.
Well, is there anything that you can do? Wang Sendela, and literally like 30 minutes later, I sent it back to her.
Yeah.
What? Ukhona umuntu amaziyo ushaya mastering ne mixing. Ngathi ukhona ngayisenda. Ebuya master what? I want that one that you sent. That's not mixed and mastered.
Yeah.
And that's
rough
the
one.
one that came out, you know. So shout out to Ukamo. That song literally was just her reaching out and saying,
You know, me and Spay fight about this all the time. Spay is so technical. Ufuna mixer and master, like
yeah.
And then I'm like, but le is sharp, we are easy because you know the bottoms are always like rough.
Sometimes you have to play by the ear because sometimes if you mix and master it too much, it takes away from the essence of the sound.
Essence of sound.
Yeah, but as a guy that's also playing the music, I hear it sounds funny. So
if you're not
redlining, you're not headlining.
Where do we find you in the socials?
Real cute DJ all across. Real cute DJ all across.
All right. Tell Hambi like Gagasi ungasiniki mix. So let me let you go to the decks right there and get ready to bless us. And brother, we wish you all the best for everything. Also, keep her this year and all your plans for next year as well.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu into esengiyikhiphile.
Yabona. Phumile today's release day. No, like I listened to the whole thing man at 3 a.m. this morning.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I
was listening to new music.
Let's get social with these stories, man.
Straight to the decks he goes. That's QDJ live right here on the Fast Lane.
Gagasi FM.